Imagine a world where bridges repair their fractures, roads erase potholes overnight, and buildings withstand centuries of wear and tear without human intervention. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of infrastructure. Welcome to the era of self-healing cities. Our cities are under attack. Every year, billions of dollars are spent patching cracks, reinforcing bridges, and replacing roads. But what if concrete itself could heal? Let's explore the revolutionary materials turning this vision into reality. Concrete built the modern world, but it's also its Achilles heel. Cracks from weather, traffic, and time let in water, rust, and decay. The environmental cost: 8% of global CO2 emissions come from concrete production. And repairs? They're a never-ending cycle. But what if those cracks could fix themselves? Enter bioconcrete. Meet the secret ingredient, bacteria. Embedded in concrete, these microbes lie dormant for decades until a crack lets in water. Then they spring to life, producing limestone to stitch the structure back together. It's like giving concrete a biological immune system. Dutch researchers perfected this tech in 2023. Their bacteria can survive around 200 plus years, outliving most buildings. And it's not just labs. Rotterdam's canals are already using bioconcrete to resist saltwater erosion. Bioconcrete isn't alone. In Norway, self-healing asphalt uses steel fibers to melt snow and repair potholes with heat. Meanwhile, 3D printed vascular concrete mimics human veins, pumping repair fluids to damaged areas. Even metals and plastics are getting in on the action. Shape-shifting polymers and memory alloys let bridges and pipelines repair dents autonomously. It's infrastructure that adapts, just like living tissue. These materials aren't hypothetical. Tokyo's subway uses self-healing polymers to cut repair costs by 40%. Singapore pairs smart sensors with self-healing tech to detect and fix cracks in real time. And in the Netherlands, bioconcrete is battling rising sea levels. The result? Longer-lasting structures, fewer disruptions, and a 500 million ton reduction in CO2 by 2040, if scaled globally. But hurdles remain. Bioconcrete costs 30 to 50% more than regular concrete. And can these materials withstand earthquakes, extreme heat, or centuries of stress? Researchers are racing to find out. The future? Think smart cities, where AI predicts damage, robots apply healing agents, and carbon-absorbing bacteria clean the air. This isn't just about fixing cracks. It's about reimagining cities as living ecosystems. Self-healing cities are more than infrastructure. They're a revolution, a world where our homes, roads, and bridges don't just endure, they evolve. The question isn't can we build this, but how soon can we live in it? Love the video? Don't forget to, like if you're excited about the future of travel. Share with your friends and family to spread the knowledge. Subscribe to Nano Nerve for more deep dives into the technologies shaping tomorrow. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads and never miss out on the future. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is closer than you think.